One thing I love about this recipe is that it is so easy and it won't take you more than 20 minutes to make. I am using 200 grams of butter, 120 grams of sugar. I'm going to mix my butter and my sugar together and beat with my hand mixer to get the consistency we are going for. If you do not have a hand mixer, don't worry. Just go on now to use a Wix or a spatula or whatever you have in your kitchen that can beat your batter together until you get a lighter consistency. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to Devi's Kitchen, do like and share. Do thumbs up this video. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Now, look at the consistency of my batter. It has turned from dark yellow to light yellow consistency, or the color rather, and the consistency too has also changed. I'm using 1 egg yolk and we are not adding egg whites. Using just egg yolk in your cookies take it to another level, so just try it. I'm using half tablespoon of vanilla essence or vanilla flavor. I'm not adding salt to this recipe because my butter is slightly salted. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Now, adding condensed milk makes this your cookie recipe taste exactly like shortbread. Adding condensed milk and your egg yolk, that is the secret, so do not skip it, guys. So I'm going to go on now to mix. At this point, after mixing a bit with my spatula, I will go on now to use my hand mixer and further mix my butter before I go on now to add in my dry ingredients. Have you watched till this point and you haven't thumbs up this video? What are you waiting for? Do thumbs up this video, do like and share. This is an easy cookie recipe that won't take you more than 20 minutes to make. And mind you, you don't need more than 5 major ingredients. Don't worry, the ingredients and their detailed measurements will be in the description box so you can check it out and make this for your family this weekend or during the holidays. I'm adding in my flour. I'm adding in corn flour. Corn flour has a way of giving the texture of the cookie a velvety feel. I think that's the word. Yes, it gives it a very, very classic feel in your mouth. So do not skip it. I'm going to now go on now to mix my batter together properly. You can add your corn flour and your flour in batches or add them all at once. But if you add them in batches, it'll be easier for you to mix. I'm going to divide my dough now into 2 equal parts and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes or in the freezer for 15 minutes. This is after keeping it in my freezer for 15 minutes because I do not have the time to wait that long. Because of this video, I'm going to take them out of my kitchen film and go on now to roll. Keeping your dough in the freezer makes it easy for you to work with. If you do not keep it in the freezer, because your butter was very soft, it will be difficult for you to shape in or cut your cookies. You may not even be able to roll your cookie out at all. It will be difficult. It will be getting stuck to your rolling pin, stuck to any surface you're working on. So keeping your dough in the fridge before rolling, it makes it easy for you to work with. I'm using this cookie cutter, which I love. It will just cut out your cookie, then you press down the plunge and it creates a wonderful design for you. Yes, I love it. If you do not have this cutter, don't worry. Just go on out to use whatever you have in your kitchen that can give you a round shape, a square shape, whatever shape you like. Use it to make a yummy cookie recipe for you and your family to enjoy. So this is me cutting out all my cookies. I'm going to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And this is what we get at the end of the day. Isn't this amazing? It's so yummy and so beautiful. Come on. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.